A fierce nomadic empire of 100,000 proud warriors threatened to destroy the dynasty. Most generals pleaded for peace, but one master strategist planned a devastating counterstrike. He handpicked only 3,000 elite iron-armored cavalrymen for a high-stakes gamble. A massive blinding northern blizzard suddenly swept across the treacherous mountain passes. Under the cover of the zero-visibility storm, his ghost-like riders advanced undetected. They ambushed the unprepared imperial headquarters, crushing the entire enemy force in hours. History changed because of this one person. Can you name them? This was Li Jing, the legendary general whose unmatched tactical genius permanently crushed the Eastern Turkic Khaganate.